In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a rental listing on Zillow. Whether you're a property owner or a manager, keeping your rental listings accurate and up-to-date is crucial. Not only does this help attract the right tenants, but it ensures that your property is represented in the best possible light. So, let's dive into the process step by step to make sure your listings are exactly how you want them. First, you'll need to log in to your Zillow Rental Manager account. This is your portal to managing all aspects of your rental property listings on Zillow. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. This dashboard gives you an overview of all the properties you currently manage. Next, look for the property you wish to edit on this dashboard. Click on the property, and it will take you to that property's specific page. This is essentially the hub for all the information related to that particular rental, from its current listing status to its detailed description. Once you're on the property page, you should see an Edit option. For those listings that might be inactive, you'll need to click List My Property first to be able to make any necessary edits. This ensures that your property is active and visible to prospective renters. Now that we're in edit mode, let's go through the types of updates you might want to make. Start by reviewing and updating the rent price if it has changed. Competitive pricing can significantly influence tenant interest. The number of bedrooms and bathrooms is another critical detail, so double-check this information for accuracy. Scrolling down the page, you'll see the property description section. This is your chance to paint a picture of your space. Be descriptive, yet concise. Highlight unique features and updates. Potential renters always appreciate good visuals, so don't forget to update photos if you have new ones. Make sure they're high quality and reflect your property's current state to avoid misrepresentation. Also, consider what amenities the property currently offers. Maybe you've added a new air conditioning unit or upgraded to stainless steel appliances. These details can often be a deciding factor for renters. Lastly, take a look at your lease terms and see if they need adjusting. Perhaps you've decided to allow pets or have shifted to shorter lease terms. This information is crucial to communicate up front to avoid confusion later on. Once you've finished making all these changes, you might be wondering about saving. The good news is that on Zillow, changes are auto-saved, so there's no need to click a Save button. Your updates will generally appear on Zillow and affiliated sites like Trulia and HotPads within a few hours, keeping your listings fresh and up to date. That's all there is to it. By keeping your rental details current, you're taking an important step in finding the right tenants faster. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check back for more helpful tips on managing your rental properties.